Hey guys, this is Agidi. If you are a well-known Nigerian babe and that love Agidi, you should know that we enjoy our Agidi with pepper soup, and this is the pepper soup. So in this video, I will show you how I made this Agidi from scratch, not the stressful way. You can actually make this with a simple ingredient, and in this video, I will show you how I made my Agidi with cornstarch. Yes, I made this agidi with cornstarch. I will show you step by step on how I made this agidi. Guys, this was so delicious. Stay tuned and ensure you watch till the end to see how I arrived at this yummy agidi even while I am in London. Location is not a problem. Stay tuned and watch till the end. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, to my subscribers, I love you so much. And to my intended subscribers, this is a fun place to be. Thanks for tuning in and ensure you subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how I made my agidi. And I made this agidi using a cornstarch. Usually in Nigeria, when you want to make your agidi, you start from a scratch by getting your corn, cooking your corn, bringing it to boiling it for some minutes. You grind it, sift it to get the liquid form of the cornstarch. But because I can't get all those things here, I am in London, UK, so I resort to using cornstarch. Yes guys, in this video I'll be using cornstarch to achieve my agidi. So this agidi, we call it agidi in Igbo, or let me say in the east, and while in the west you can call it ogi, right? I hope I'm correct. So I went in to measure 1.5 cups of cornstarch into my pot, and I will be going to dissolve it with a cold water. When dissolving, ensure you pour the water bit by bit and dissolve until there is no lump, not even a single lump in the mixture. Pour enough water so it should be watery like you're seeing so. So after dissolving my cornstarch this way, I'll go on to transfer it to my heat. I'm going to turn on my heat, put it in a medium heat, and I'll transfer the dissolved cornstarch on top of it. I'll go on to stir it. I will keep stirring. Just take note of the color, because you will notice when it's getting done the color changes. So right now it's still fresh and it's very whitish, so I'll go on to stir it. I notice that it's thickening, but it is still white, so I go on to adding a lot of water. Just keep enough warm water close to you, because you'll be adding it into this recipe, so bit by bit. So I added in a little warm water and I went on to stir it. I turn it, ensure there's no lumps, taking off the lump by kneading it like the way I'm doing with the wounding spatula. I keep adding water bit by bit, stirring it while on top of the heat. So you notice that the color is changing from pure white to off-white, like something that is done. So I will stir, add water, stir, add water and stir. I will add water and stir. So at this point, I will add water and stir on it turns this color. So it's getting done. It's not yet done. You see, it's not that pure white, but it's white, like it's kind of off white. So here it's getting done. I will keep stirring, and at this point I'm going to add a little water, take off the excess on the spatula and add it to it, and I'm going to cover this pot and allow this to heat for a while. So after heating for some minutes, I'm going to open it and I will stir. I will turn it very well, like I'm doing. This needs a lot of strength to turn, seriously. So I keep turning it, and just so that the whole thing will mix together with the water I added together. So this is me testing, doing my cold water test. Get a cold water from the fridge, put in some bit of it, allow it to sit for a while, then check it. If it has really formed, you see, if it is as done, like if it is done, you see when you check it, it will be kind of hardly formed. But when it's not done, when you check it after putting inside the cold water, it will still not be hardly formed. It will be soft. So I went on to turn it, and after turning it, I added a little more water and cover it to sit and cook for some minutes before turning it again. And at this point, let's check. This is my second testing. Got my cold water, added in a little bit, allow it to sit for a while stirring the agidi. So let's check whether it's formed. So you've noticed that it's formed now. So at this point, it's done because it's formed. The first one I tested, it was so soft, but this one, it has really formed. So I'll just go ahead and stir it for some minutes on the heat, just for some seconds actually, before taking it off the heat. So at this point, I've taken it off the heat, and I'm going to use my nylon to wrap it up. And I went on to put it inside my nylon, like I'm doing so. And I was able to get 3 wraps of this agidi at the end of the wrapping. So guys, if you have watched to this point and you find this recipe interesting and you'll be trying it, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video so that others can actually try this out, and don't forget to turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I drop a new video. I got 3 wraps of the agidi from the 1.5 cup of cornstarch I did. I went ahead to put it inside the fridge for it to cool down and form, and whenever I want to use it, I brought it out and I microwaved it. So here I've already microwaved it, and I already prepared my pepper soup, assorted meat pepper soup. I didn't make a video of how I did the pepper soup. There was a whole lot of story why I didn't do that, but yes, I prepared my pepper soup. That was what I was serving it with. Go ahead to serve it. And this winter period, this is a go-get for me. It was so hot and a most enjoyed meal in this winter. So go ahead and enjoy it, serve it with whatever drink you like, enjoy it, and let me know, will you be trying this out? Will you be trying this out? This was so yummy. This was so yummy. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next one. And sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next one. Love you all. God bless you. Bye bye.